Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you would like to join our private Discord community for live streams, Q&As, special TAs requests, and free version of the KGT indicator, check of course the details in the description below. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking of course at Solana for a B, and a C towards the upside, and this is of course a wave C with 5 impulsive waves where you would like to reach at least the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the A, of course, based on the B, and giving us this fib level, of course, at a 1 for a 700 almost dollars for Solana. Now, uncommon targets, of course, can be at a $442 for 0.618 fib level. And of course, this is a short wave C at the or 5 taken from the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, of course, after this impulse has finished a correction here, we start to see a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and finished a wave 3, of course, over there. And we're looking for a 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 to finish, of course, this main wave 5 here in the white scenario. Now, if you would like to have more information, of course, it is preferably to dive deeper in the 1 hour chart. As we can see here on the 1 hour chart, you have in your scenario where we saw those multiple 1-2s, we are currently still in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the orange scenario, where we have bottomed, of course, for a wave 4 in the orange as a B, and a C. After this, you would like to start to see a formation of an impulsive wave towards the upside as we are looking at right now, which is your wave 1, and probably we are going for a correction for a wave 2, A, B, and a C, and then moving towards the upside, of course, impulsively for a wave 3. Now, if we take a closer look here, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect for a wave 1, and we are looking, of course, at an A, B, and a C. Your wave C should be impulsive, of course. Now, we have to reach, of course, the perfect fib levels, where we want to hit a wave 2 for an impulse in the green box, of course, as you can see. So basically between $215 and $210, that would be the perfect price for a wave 2 and start to unfold, of course, a formation, impulsive formation for a wave 3 towards the upside. In that case, of course, you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 waves down, and then continuation, of course, massively towards the upside as a signal and confirmation for your bullish scenario. In your bearish scenario, you would break this 0.78 or the $210, and once you hit the 207, which is the 886, of course, in that case, and you would like to see a continuation toward the downside. Once you hit this level, means of course you're gonna take this low, and once you take this low, that means of course you are moving, of course, towards the downside. This is a bearish scenario. And what you would not like to see, of course, that you have hit the zone 1 here in the orange scenario at $183. So this, once it is hit, this is your bearish scenario, and that means we have invalidate our impulse. Bearish scenario, and then invalidation of impulse. And that means, of course, if you have invalidated this impulse, that means, of course, in a bigger view, that, yeah, something else is unfolding as bearish. And if we take a look at the 4 hour, let's say the price will dive deeper onto here. This will not be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 anymore. And it's gonna end, of course, in a different way. So probably it's gonna be reading, of course, as from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably as a diagonal, maybe. Yeah, or it can be a B, and a C, and then a wave B, and then a wave C. So it's gonna end up that this is an A, B, and a C finished, of course, there. And then you are looking, of course, after this 3 corrective waves here, A, B, C as well, 3 waves towards the upside. Then, yeah, 5 waves toward the downside, and that means, of course, we might come back to this low here, to this correction. So this is only your bearish scenario, guys. So nothing to be afraid of yet. We are still bullish, of course, until we break this 0.786. Therefore, of course, we start to think about a bearish scenario. So that was it, of course, for Solana based on Elliott wave. Now, if you would like to have a overview for KGT here, at the 15-minute chart, we can see clearly that we have a convergence on the bearish CVDs here. You can see between the price action given from this signal in the top here and this one on the top, you can see, of course, a convergence with the lines, which means, of course, yeah, we are looking for lower prices. However, as you can see as well here, once we get lower, the CVD will get even bullish here in the lower price. And of course, before we get the low in the price here, we're gonna have a divergence for the bullish, and that might, of course, unfold your wave 3 towards the upside. So that was it, of course, for Solana based on Elliott wave analysis and, of course, on KGT. If you're interested in KGT, you can find the details in the description below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.